In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Google Photos by month. We will keep everything simple, so even if you are new to Google Photos, you can follow along easily. First, open the Google Photos app. When it loads, you should see the main gallery with your images laid out in a grid, usually sorted by date already. If you use backup, you may also see a message at the top about sync, which you can ignore for now. Now tap the Photos tab. This is usually at the bottom of the screen and shows every picture in your account. When you are on the Photos tab, you should see a continuous timeline of your images, with small date labels along the side or top, like January or February. Next, find the photos from the month you want to organize. Scroll until you reach the correct month and year, for example, January 2026. Take a moment to check those small date markers, since jumping to the wrong month is a very common mistake when you scroll quickly. Once you are on the right month, touch and hold a photo from that month, then select the other photos from that month. After you touch and hold the first one, you will see a check mark appear on it. You can then tap more photos from the same month, and each one should gain a check mark so you know it is selected. On many phones, you can also drag your finger to select several in a row, which is much faster for big batches. With your photos selected, tap Add to Album. This button usually appears at the bottom of the screen as soon as you have at least one photo checked. When you tap it, a panel or new screen will open with options to use an existing album or create a new one. From there, tap New Album. Google Photos will switch to a screen where you see all the selected images at the top and a text field waiting for the new album name. This is where you define your monthly structure. Now name it, for example, January 2026. Say the month first and the year second, and keep the pattern exactly the same every time. Consistent names make your albums line up in a neat order later, and it is much easier to scan them quickly when you have many months and years stored. After naming it, tap Done. Google Photos will immediately create the album and move you into it. You will see the album title at the top, and the photos you just selected laid out below inside that new monthly album. Next, open the album again anytime you need to adjust it. You can find it in the Albums section of Google Photos, and tapping it will show all the photos you added earlier. Inside that album, tap Edit Album. This usually appears as a button or an icon near the top. When you tap Edit Album, the layout will shift slightly, showing that you can now change the order and settings for that album. While in edit mode, tap Sort By. A small menu will appear with sorting options. These control how the pictures are arranged inside this album only, without affecting anything outside. Choose Newest, Oldest, or Recently Added. Newest puts your most recent shots at the top, Oldest shows the earliest ones first, and Recently Added pays attention to when you place the photos in the album. As soon as you pick one, the album reorders itself right away, so you can see the change instantly. For a clear structure, you could organize your photos with one album for each month, grouped by year. For example, have a 2026 year group with albums named January 2026, February 2026, March 2026, and so on through December 2026. If you have multiple years, keep the year in every album name, such as 2024 January, 2024 February, 2025 January, and so forth, so different years never mix together. Tip: Google Photos does not automatically create these monthly albums, so for a clean month-by-month filing system, you create each album yourself and add the right photos to that month. By following these steps, you organized your Google Photos into clear monthly albums and set the order inside each one. If this helped you tame your photo mess, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Google Photos guides.